GrowthAfrica had the pleasure to work with BioInnovate over a good number of years actually, and through different phases. So working with the innovators, the researchers, and the commercial partners is trying to help take the innovations to market and commercialize them as the model. And it's quite excitement that we see the opportunities in the space of commercialization of research and seeing some of those very exciting innovations that comes out of the research institution that we have across Africa.
So BioInnovate Africa was started in 2010 with support from the Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency, and the idea was to help East African countries benefit from the revolutionary advances in bioscience and biotechnology for food security, poverty alleviation, and economic development. Now we are focusing on bioeconomy, and maybe bioeconomy is simpler to argue because we look at it as a way of using scientific knowledge to add social and economic value to biological resources in a sustainable way. So when we talk about bioscience, really literally talking about biological science, taking advantage of the bioresources, the ecosystems around these resources to create wealth and improve the social lives. I think GrowthAfrica and BioInnovate Africa kind of share, similar aspirations and roles of being what I would call boundary organizations that support to strengthen the ecosystem for business and for innovation. We started working with GrowthAfrica around 2010 or thereabout because we felt a great need to build business in some of our teams, and GrowthAfrica had this capacity. And we found a natural partner in GrowthAfrica to support our project teams and develop the business models and test these business models in the market. I'm excited that BioInnovate Africa is providing the framework for scientists in the region to experiment their ideas that have good business prospects. And that for us is great because it contributes to employment creation. It also addresses our needs of the future in light of the climate agenda and the need to conserve biodiversity.